Cheers! Oh yeah, very refreshing. Sarap! Yum! Hello everyone, it's RG of AstigVegan. I am back to show you and introduce to you another Filipino fruit. And this one is native to the Philippines. And Kalamansi! Kalamansi, or in Tagalog, we call it Kalamansi. Other dialects call it Kalamunding, Lemoncito. It's very similar to key lime / mandarin. So it's very sour, but it has some sweet elements from mandarin. And inside, it looks like this. So it's definitely a citrus fruit. It looks like that. The most popular form of calamansi is calamansi juice. So this is what I have in front of me. So what I did is I melted the sugar in hot water first, added some calamansi juice, and then after the sugar has dissolved, I added water. You can have calamansi juice cold. You can also make calamansi slush. You can have this hot as well. So it's very refreshing, but sometimes when you're feeling under the weather and you want something hot, then you can have warm or hot calamansi juice. And it's very good for if you're having sniffles. It's very high in vitamin C. It also has potassium, vitamin A, calcium, a little bit of fiber, and some people were saying that it's even detoxifying. Aside from, drinks, you can make calamansi jams, dressing. They're not that big. They are the size of kumquats. A lot of people abroad mistake them for kumquats, but kumquats are actually sweet. These ones are very sour. Here in the Philippines, they stay green. They don't turn any other color except maybe for pale green or yellowish color. In the US, you'd be surprised because I was there for a while and they turn yellow, orange, yellow. Calamansi is a shrub plant, so it doesn't get that big, but abroad they get really tall. It's a tree, but I learned that it actually takes years for them to flower and to fruit. So for some people, they do what you call graft. They can now harvest because it came from like an older tree. So some sort of like a zombie type of planting and harvesting. So I think that's pretty much it about all I know about calamansi, and I have tried it in many of my recipes. If you have also tried this in your dishes, let me know what dishes do you use this in and what are your memories of this fruit. Or if you've never had it before, what's your first impression like? I would love to hear from you and keep the conversation going here and on social media. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, my name is RG of AstigVegan, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!